next step is on your plan set is the blocking. The blocking goes down the middle of your joist, and the blocking is so that your joists don't twist. If you put nails in through the top, they're probably not going to, but we don't want to give it that option. So we have the same thing under your house, either the square blocking or 45 blocking. We need to know where to put it. Anybody read this measurement? Tell me what that measurement is.
Is it 1 foot 11 inches, or are we looking at the other one?
Yeah, what she said. 1 foot and a quarter inch. So we need this to be 1 foot and a quarter up. But what everybody gets tricked up from is that this measurement, 1 foot a quarter, comes from the outside edge. So I am not measuring. Everybody likes to grab it and measure from there. I'm not measuring from there. I'm measuring from the outside. So I need to measure down 1 inch and a quarter and put my mark right there. Once I have that mark, I need to know where to put my next blocking. So it's going to be up here somewhere. So it is just the exact opposite. So all I'm going to do is going to flip this around. And now I can put that mark, that same mark on the other one. So I'll bring it down here first and show you. We're going to put these all together because we already have one measurement, so we don't need to do any more. And I usually would mark all these, but since I want to make this group do something, since they're already ahead, I'm only going to mark 2 of them. And then I'm going to take one of those and flip it around. Now I can mark, I would mark all of them again. So that when I separate them back to my lines, I now know exactly where my pieces are going. One here, one there, one here, and it'll go back and forth. Does that make sense? If it doesn't, look at your plan set. See, one blocking's down, one blocking's up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so here's the hard part. Hopefully there's a math person in your group. These are 8 inches on center, which means if I put one right here and one right here, what is the space between here? It's going to be less than 8, right? 8 center to center, but we have half of this distance and half of this. So what's half of 3/4 plus half of 3/4?
6/8.
You guys are killing me. Yes, it's 3/4.
3/4.
So 8 minus 3/4.
Oh my God.
I'm going to go back in my office and curl up in a ball and cry.
7
7 1/4. So I should go cut a piece of blocking to be 7 1/4, right? Yeah. If there is somebody in your group that does not know how to do math, we have a different way to do this. I set it up exactly where it needs to go. And now how big does this piece need to be? That big. So I just take my tape measure and I measure it. What do you know? 7 1/4. Make sense? So you're going to lay out all your pieces, and you're either going to measure each one, or you're just going to do the math. I don't care which way you want to do. Measure it and make it fit. Now, if I measure out here, is it going to be right? No, because the board might be twisted or bowed or cut. So I just need to measure down here to make it correct. Any questions? Okay, you're blocking.
Are you getting a little red one today?
You're blocking. You need to cut out enough blocking to go all the way through, so you can get one long piece, and you should be able to cut every one of your blocking out from there. Okay. That makes sense? Once you get all the blocking laid out, I'll do the next demonstration on nailing. All right. We have enough time.